Very good morning to you. It's that time of year again when we're cleaning cattle sheds out. Cattle have been in for 7 weeks, beginning of November. It's the 22nd of December, so this one here is ready to be cleaned out. Ground is dry enough to take the spreader. Bit of wind up at the moment, so that helps dry things. We've got the 5620 here taking it out, and then we got the John Deere 6430 in the spreader. We'll have a day off on Sunday and Monday, as it's Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. I say a day off, we've still got work in the morning, we've still got the work in the evening to feed up the cattle, but we won't be doing jobs like this anyway. I think one more forkload will do that. Space server. There we are. Feel like I do. Great to spread this one now, then back in again. Thank you for watching.